Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. For your relationship and career circumstance, we'll be picking cards from another deck. So, one card from this deck for your relationship, and one card from this deck for your career circumstance, Libras. If you like this reading and this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Libras. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Libras. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Four of Stars in reverse, Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, and Death in reverse. So today, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship today, you are seeing things getting delayed, maybe suspended, and you feel stuck, unable to decide, or maybe you were planning something, your plans may not fall into place, it may not work out as expected. So, some kind of a failure or difficulty, and you feel that you are unable to break or unable to change your old way of doing things, or unable to change yourself. It may point out to some addictive habits. You are trying to take control of your life, trying to do things differently, but you are simply unable to go towards a change today in your circumstances. That may be the case even in this relationship. You don't know what to do or what will be the future of this connection, because you are feeling really powerless, and you feel that you are powerless to make any change today, change in your circumstance or change in the way things are going. And maybe if you want the right action or the right path for yourself in this relationship, maybe you are in a lot of emotional stress, you don't know what will work or what will be the right decision today. So, a lot of stress in your circumstance. If you want to clear all the stress today, maybe you need people to guide you and help you out. Maybe it may be someone older than you. You can talk to them. You can talk to your parent or a sibling or someone you can trust, your friend. And also, you need to be careful with whom you reveal about your inner thoughts, or reveal about your, the truth in your heart. Maybe there is a person using your information against you. So they are simply someone selfish, arrogant. They may be, blocking your life, blocking the way forward. So they are trying to control you in some ways. So if you have someone like that in your personal life, you should not trust that person. You must talk to the person whom you completely trust, Libras. So for your relationship, we picked one card, exchanging gifts. So Libras, maybe whatever you are wishing for in this relationship. This is an oracle card, guys. It may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So today you are hoping or wishing for something better, something good, but you need to understand that in order to get that, you must lose something, you must give up something. So it is always a give and take. That is the part of life. So if you are expecting something so good, you must give up something, and once you get it, it may not be something you like. So you must be careful what you are wishing for, Libras, today. So, for your career situation, we picked one card, a change in the wind. So, there are a lot of things happening in your life today. Everything is changing, and maybe you do not understand where things will go, what will be the future in your work circumstances, and things are not on that firm footing. Maybe you will see many difficulties, unexpected circumstances unfolding in your career, but you need not fear, because you may feel that the opportunities that was supposed to be yours has been someone else's today, and you are really sad or stressed because of that. But certain things are not going as planned. Circumstances are not in your control today. You may feel stressed or sad because of that, but you need not worry, Libras. You just need to wait out this time. Be really patient, and everything will be better. Have that belief, have that trust. So, that is the energy with these cards, Libras. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So, now let's see what is your first card. So, the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So, with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are a unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are, but you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must, what to say, you should not live for others' expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, and you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. And you will find the right person who will be the right one for you, who will be, what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear. But what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to, what to say, go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition. But you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses. And your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So, in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And, guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So, in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense. And you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So, that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.